Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the DNS Probe Finished NX domain error you're getting on your Windows computer. Specifically, Google Chrome seems to be the most common place to find this DNS Probe Finished error. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to open up the search icon, and you want to select settings or search for settings if you don't see it there, and go ahead and open that up. You want to select the three lines up at the top to open up the navigation pane and select network and internet. On the right side, scroll down and select advanced network settings. Go ahead and left click on that. And then you want to select network reset all network adapters to factory settings. Go ahead and select that. So this will remove and reinstall all of your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. Your PC will be restarted, so make sure you have your Wi-Fi code nearby before you restart, because once you restart, you will need to enter back in your Wi-Fi code in order to gain access to the internet. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and select reset now. I sure you want to reset your network settings. Select yes. You will need to sign out within 5 minutes, but I'm just going to be proactive and close out of everything and restart my computer right now. So hopefully it was a pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.